Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see one of the C concepts, which is nothing but a parameter passing techniques. There are two parameter passing techniques for a function, call by value and call by reference. Call by value means you will pass the value directly, and call by reference means you will pass the address instead of passing the variable value. And the major difference is inside the function call, what are the arguments we take? We can call it as the actual arguments. And inside a function definition, right? What are the arguments are present? Here these are called as a formal argument. If you adapted the call by value, if you made any modifications to the formal arguments, they won't reflect to the actual arguments. But if you adapted the call by reference concept, means if you made any modification to the formal arguments, those will be reflected to the actual arguments. Okay, those will be reflected to the actual argument. Let's see the concept with example. See the example here. I am taking a function called swap. Okay, let me take the function swap. It is not going to return anything. The function name is swap. It was taking two parameters, int x and int y. And swapping logic I am going to write int temp, and now first temp I will hold x, and the x will hold the value of y, and y will hold the value of temp. By writing these statements, we can perform the swapping operation, right? Now see, printf the values of x and y, values of x, let me put a message here, print after swapping, right? After swapping, it is where? It is inside the function, right? Inside the function. After swapping inside the function, let me give you the value of x. The value of x is %d \n. Similarly, the value of y is %d \n, comma, x and y. Now I am going to stop the process. See, what is happening means, for example, x equal to some 10, y equal to 20. First, what temp equal to x means what? Temp will hold the value of x, means temp will be 10. X equal to y means well, x will be overridden with y value. Y equal to temp means once y value will be overwritten with temp value. Now as you can see, x and y values has been swapped, right? Initially 10, 20, now they are 20, 10. Swapping has been done. Now see here, let me take int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. See, printf, let me take the same thing here, okay? It will be easier then. Copy and paste it here. I'm pasting here, you can observe before swapping, right? This is before swapping, it is what? Inside main function, right? And the values of a and b you need to take. A and b. What? A and b. The next thing is what? I'm going to call the swap function onto the variables a and b. We may think that the variable content a and b will be swapped, right? But now observe, print after swapping inside what? Inside main function, the values of a and the value of p, same, observe a and b. Now let me save this code and see here. You can see before swapping inside main function is 2020. After swapping inside the function, inside what function? Swap function is 2010. Means what? X and y values have been swapped. But here you can observe that after swapping also the values of a and b will be 10 and 20. Okay, see 10 and 20 here, and here also 10 and 20 again, because y means here we use a technique called call by value, which means see, a equal to 10 means what? A is a 10, b is a 20 means what? B location is holding 20. Now I printed that initial value is 10, 20. Whenever I call the swap function, but here I passed what? I just passed the values. So what will happen means it will create the new locations with x and y. It was holding 10, it was holding 20. Now what will happen means here the swapping we are doing 20 10. Now you can observe that the swapping is doing on the x and y only, not on a and b, because here call by value means the memory references has been changed, right? X, Y are referring to some other memory, A and B are referring to some other memory. So these are formal arguments, these are actual arguments. Any modifications made to the formal arguments won't reflect in the actual arguments. Okay, this is call by value. Now observe the call by reference concept. Instead of passing the actual values, I will pass their addresses, means ampersand symbol. Now, in order to collect these addresses, I am maintaining a pointers. And let me take here. Let me put star in front of it because everything is a pointer, right? X and Y are pointers. That's why I am putting a star in front of them. Star X, star Y, and star Y equal to temp. Now let's observe here then. Now see, before A and B are 10 and 20. After swapping, A and B has become 20 and 10. Okay, something wrong happened here. Okay, see. Okay. Why? Because we are printing the addresses, right? Okay. I'm going to print the values. Now it will be clear. See, hold on. See, 10 and 20 inside the function swapping 20, 10, and outside the function, inside the main function also, the values of A and B also affected to 20 and 10. Why? Because you can see here A, B means what? A, P. Some locations are holding 10, 20. But X and Y here are what? Not the variables, not the memory locations. These are the pointers which are referring to the same memory. Okay. Same memory means what? If you modify 20 and 10 like the swapping done, so this will reflect to the actual arguments also. Any modification made to the formal arguments will reflect to the actual arguments also. And this is the difference between the call by value and the call by reference. Okay. See here, the statements are clear for you now. Right? See. In this case, changes made to the parameter inside the function have no effect on the actual arguments. Here, the changes you made will affect, okay, will affect the actual arguments. And these are the differences between the call by value and call by reference concept. Please practice some more examples related to this. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe for more videos.